Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing the best Breville oven toaster, the Breville Smart Pro Countertop Oven, BOV845BSS. This is a standout model, and if you're looking for a high-performance countertop oven, this might be the one for you. The Breville Smart Pro is packed with features that make cooking easier and more efficient. Powered by Breville's Element IQ technology, this oven has 5 independent quartz heating elements. These elements work together using smart algorithms to deliver precise heat where it's needed most, ensuring that your meals are cooked perfectly every time. Whether you're baking, toasting, roasting, or broiling, the Element IQ system adjusts to provide the optimal cooking environment. One of the most notable features of this model is its convection setting. If you're in a rush, you'll appreciate that this setting reduces cooking time by up to 30%. The inbuilt fan circulates hot air around your food, speeding up the process and ensuring an even cook. From perfectly crispy cookies to a golden brown pizza, this convection oven can do it all. For versatility, the Breville Smart Pro offers 10 cooking functions. You can easily switch between settings like toast, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, reheat, warm, and even slow cook. Yes, this oven even has a slow cook function, which allows you to prepare tender, flavorful meals over extended periods, making it an ideal choice for stews and braises. Not only is this oven functional, but it's also built with convenience in mind. It includes an interior light that automatically turns on at the end of the cooking cycle, helping you check your food without opening the door. The oven also boasts a user-friendly knob control system, making it easy to adjust the settings to your preference. What sets this oven apart is its design. The brushed stainless steel finish not only looks sleek and modern but is also built to last. It's large enough to accommodate a 13-inch pizza or 6 slices of bread, making it perfect for small meals or family cooking. In terms of size, it's compact enough to fit on most countertops, measuring 18.94 inches in width, 15.91 inches in depth, and 10.94 inches in height. Despite its compact size, it offers an impressive cooking capacity with a weight of 22.8 pounds, making it a sturdy addition to any kitchen. Overall, the Breville Smart Pro Countertop Oven is a powerful, versatile, and beautifully designed appliance that can handle nearly every cooking task you throw at it. Whether you're a seasoned cook or someone just looking for an efficient kitchen tool, this oven will make a great addition to your home. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with an oven that does it all, the Breville Smart Pro is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and recommendations.